you struggling with your baby's sleep routine? You're not alone. Today, we're sharing 5 things you might not know about baby sleep routines, backed by science and sure to make bedtime a little smoother. Fact number 1, shorter is better. Many parents think a long, drawn-out bedtime routine helps their baby sleep better. But actually, a 10 to 15-minute routine is enough to help your baby wind down. Keep it consistent. Bath, book, bed, and your baby will start to associate these short cues with sleep. Fact number 2, white noise is a game changer. Babies are used to constant sound from the womb. White noise can mimic that comforting environment and block out distracting noises. Just make sure it's not too loud. About the level of a soft shower is perfect. Fact number 3, overstimulation before bed makes it harder for babies to sleep. Bright lights, loud sounds, or too much playtime right before bedtime can keep their brains wired. Instead, create a calm, dimly lit environment for about 30 minutes before bedtime to help them wind down. Fact number 4, babies have shorter sleep cycles than adults. This is why they wake up more often during the night. If your baby stirs, wait 5 to 10 minutes before responding. Sometimes they can settle themselves back to sleep. Finally, fact number 5, consistency is key. Babies thrive on routine, so sticking to the same schedule each day helps regulate their internal clock. Wake up, nap, and bedtime routines should all follow a predictable pattern to make sleep easier for both you and your baby. There you have it. 5 surprising facts about baby sleep routines. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be well on your way to better nights. Sweet dreams.